Alright, y'all. So we at IHOP right now, and I am so scared to do this prank on my mom. Mommy, are you serious?
Go to the bathroom.
She's dragging me after
Go.
All these niggas say they hot shit, you must not heard a Glock. Mr. Pull up, let it pop. Mr. Don't play bad as guap. And ever since a tot, I've been playing around with them blocks. Close your legs, ho, give me top. And my coupe cruise like a yacht.
Y'all, I'm about to prank my mom with the fart spray. And she literally, I sprayed it in the house and this lady smelled it. I put perfume. She about to kill me in this car, y'all. This shit already funny. I got old makeup on. This from last night. I didn't wash my face, so. You know how scared I was? I chickened out, but she don't pick us up.
I sprayed, then you just start talking about spray.
No, because she's gonna start yelling at me. Bro, we barely sprayed in the house. This lady's still talking about in the car, man.
Yeah.
If I spray it once in the car, it's
over the whole
time. She never had those eggs. She never ate those eggs.
What eggs you ate?
Eggs from, I know, eggs from IHOP.
You don't have no stomach. People with stomach aches don't eat eggs.
I haven't eaten
Or
eggs.
cheese. You don't have lactose. Your dog got stomach issues.
I need to go to the bathroom, mommy. I gotta go to the bathroom.
You ain't gonna give me no anxiety attack. You want me to drop you off right here? Because I don't know what you want me to do.
I'm sorry.
You stink! Get out! Stink, that's you?
You're so extra, mommy. You don't smell that bad.
Get out. Get out.
Mommy. Are you serious?
I'm dying. You are so
Mommy,
sick
my
right now.
stomach
Get out.
hurts.
Get out.
What do you mean?
Get out. Your ass stink. Get out. What you want me to do? Die in here?
Stop, bro. It's not that bad. Oh, my stomach hurts. Dang, safe. I hit the bathroom. Mommy, are you serious? She's dragging me out the car.
Go.
I need, no, for real. I'm
I'll be
just
back
kidding.
for you.
I'm just,
No.
you gotta get me home. I gotta use the bathroom. I can't play with you right now. My stomach hurts.
You are so sick. Are you not embarrassed? My patience is not gonna stink like that.
Mommy, please stop. She said you trying to.
I never gag. I'm serious. Your ass stinks.
Can we go to the house? What did you? She is dying. Y'all, this is so funny. Just get me home.
Get you home?
That's
the
it.
car in the front of I can't even drive. You think I'm lying? That's your smell. You smell like a sewer.
I'm sorry. Gosh, come on. Really? The sunroof? Is that serious?
Your ass stinks. You just don't know how much your butt stinks. You and Simba ate something.
I need to go to the bathroom.
So you need to go to the hospital. You better not poop in my car, because if you do, it's on and popping, because I'm so serious. You nasty. Your sister smells so stink. She just literally pooped in the front seat.
I didn't.
You got some poop in your underwear somewhere, because that was stink.
Oh, my stomach.
Yeah.
She's so extra, bro.
Yeah, she got poop in her underwear because what she just let out in
She
the
didn't
car.
even see my underwear.
What she let out in the car, it's impossible. That was you who farted like that in the house and you tried to say it was Simba? You're not ashamed of yourself? And you still went to IHOP?
I thought I was hungry. Come here. You funny.
Get away.
It was a prank. It was fart spray.
You smell so stink.
It was a prank. Ew. That was funny, y'all. y'all. Make sure y'all like this video. Comment down below if you want to. Oh, y'all like the video. Because I put Simba